national eminence, he called me up saying, unless you can stop this, the majesty of court will be absolutely shattered.
Scandalous remark against the High Court will shock the conscience of the court. And he's aware of the consequences, and he says he dares the court to take cognizance and issue content, he will face it.
And what is this big crowd for upgradation?
May I have kindness leave me Lord to mention a matter having serious impact on the majesty of court. That one gentleman who had organized the postering, I specifically accuse, but against a particular judge now has gone on record alleging that the High Court is giving protection to the anti-socials, and High Court has become the ground for the anti-social free movement. And also it has said that all these killings are because of High Court. Now I wouldn't have moved this. I tell you, Lordship, of the reaction. A professor of the national eminence, he called me up saying, unless you can stop this, the majesty of court will be absolutely shattered. And former Advocate General of the state will also call me saying, do something. Let the High Court have its own honor and majesty. Let this sort of, if I may use that expression, excuse me, mafia leaders cannot control and shake the confidence of the common man on the High Court. Well, I just place below these documents for Lordship's suo motu cognizance.
I am also appearing on behalf of another informant, Millard. I have also produced.
Since Millard, there is already.
He is an advocate of this honorable, unscathing, Millard, scandalous remark against the High Court will shock the conscience of the court.
Now, Millard, since the my lord sitting in special bench, Millard, considering Millard almost a similar issue. No, I would appeal to your Lordship, Lord, kindly take cognizance and place it before their special bench. These two should be taken up together. The same person is involved.
But can this person who was sworn to this affidavit, can he file a petition?
That if it is filed petition, then I have to come through the permission of through Advocate General, which we don't want. We want that court should take suo motu cognizance. That it was taken on the earlier matter. And I am placing the materials for information.
This person was cautioned before by a division bench. Same person. Similar kind of general remark, just it was last time it was a general remark. This time entire High Court with giving a specific and he is aware of the consequences. He says,
actually the larger bench was constituted last Friday. No, not last Friday. This is last was not.
What is significant?
We can do one thing. Because last week the larger bench couldn't sit because of some inconvenience.
Your Lordship will take suo motu
cognizance and
we will constitute that bench once more this week. And you mentioned that.
Maybe Lordship will kindly, let's say procedure. My Lord will kindly take cognizance and then place it before the larger bench for further hearing. That was done in last occasion without the single judge to
why can't the informant file a petition?
We cannot file a petition, sir. As per section.
Your Lordship desires that petition will be only for the purpose of information. I have filed an affidavit, I can do that.
But
under the law, if it is petition, then it has to come through the consent of Advocate General.
But this is my informant given another affidavit. I have given the entire transcript of whatever has been spoken.
This can be in the form of a petition in the contempt matters which are pending, placing on record certain facts which you want to.
Very well, now with the leave of the court. Kindly will not grant me leave to file without a petition so that I can do that. We can avoid without the process of having consent of Advocate General, which will ultimately will frustrate.
Ultimately, if criminal contempt has to be initiated, then necessary directions have to be issued for the Advocate General.
No, that is under the law. If someone wants to move a petition, then he has to take the permission of Advocate General, unless the court takes suo motu cognizance. So what we have been doing so long, that the court takes suo motu cognizance, as it was done in earlier case. The learned single judge took cognizance and then referred it to the Chief Justice for hearing, and Chief Justice constituted a bench.
The best thing is, you make a mention, we will constitute that larger bench this week. On that date, you place this affidavit.
Very well. No problem.
Subject to what your Lordship says, your Lordship's bench is the
You place
determination
the
for
affidavit,
criminal contempt.
we will constitute the bench, we will place the affidavit. Today itself, we'll ascertain the convenience of the other two honorable judges.
Kindly just not give us leave unless we leave is granted.
No.
We cannot
Arey
affirm,
Baba, what are the special bench
we
constituted?
cannot affirm it unless leave is granted.
Before the special bench, whatever mention has been made today, you please mention.
Very well.
Mhm.
ठीक है, अच्छी तो the special bench should.
Your lordship, yes.
He has dared the court to issue contempt. He says, my lord, he is very clear in his mind that and he is aware of the consequences, and he says he dares the court to, my lord, take cognizance and issue contempt, he will face it.
We will see.
On the earlier occasion, this man done the same. From the Also, I am seeking leave to move another petition.
Your lordship will kindly instruct that a separate WPCRC number should be allotted to this kind of.
Please make a mention before the larger bench. This composition can't hear that matter.
The larger bench will be sitting this week.
We will constitute.
Yes.
Today itself,
Give-
we'll ascertain
give
the convenience of the other two honorable
May I
judges.
be permitted to